working out this morning. But I've been feeling weird. I've been feeling a little off. So I got my ass on the treadmill. I'm not gonna do a full hour because I don't have it in me. But I'm doing the 12-3-30, which is like an incline of 12 for speed 3 for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks right now, but I'm halfway through and I know I'm gonna feel so much better after. Let's go! Anyways, time for breakfast. This is ridiculous. Look what I have you guys like seated on. I could use a tripod, but what's the fun in that? So last night I made gnocchi. I got it from Trader Joe's. If you haven't been there before, they have this cauliflower gnocchi that is like so freaking good. Made it with some vegan pesto. It's one of my favorite meals. There was so much leftover pesto. As I was eating the gnocchi, Alicia started making the pesto egg concoction that's all over TikTok. I didn't ask her to, like I was eating the gnocchi for dinner. I wasn't planning on eating eggs. So she made me this scramble with the extra pesto and put it on my plate next to the gnocchi and was like, here, I made that for you. And I was like, I'm so full. There's no way I'm gonna eat both. So, long story short, I'm eating it for breakfast. She's right, it's good. Tara and Renee, get over here.
What?
I came downstairs to clean and you already cleaned. This is why I love you. I came down here because I left quite the mess this morning on the counter and Taryn already cleaned the counter. I don't deserve her. So, one of the perks of being Alicia Marie's sister is that I became friends with Remy Cruz. Miss Remy Ashton, as everyone knows her on the tube. And something that kind of happened naturally is that I became an auntie to Daisy and Momo. They get along so well with Chloe and Rosie. It's madness when they're together, but so much fun. Anyways, Alicia's on a trip and Remy's on the same trip, and Cal has work today. So as a good auntie, I volunteered to watch the girls. So today might be a little crazy. We're gonna have 4 female dogs in the house and then obviously Charlie, but that's 5 dogs in one house. So I'm taking this moment this morning to collect myself, to prepare myself to being, Taryn's dying, to being the best auntie and dog sitter that Cal and Remy ever had. They should be here honestly like any minute. So I'm enjoying the peace and quiet while I have it. Also guys, I don't even know if I've shown you, but Alicia redid our office. Let's give you a tour. Here is the new office. She's sleek, she's classy, and we like her very much. If you haven't seen Alicia's video, she basically surprised me while I was gone in Palm Springs with a completely redone office. This is something we've been talking about for a long time. We were so excited to get like a long table to work out, especially for like parallel meetings when we have a lot of people over at the house. And we had originally only had our 2 desks, which if you guys remember, didn't offer a lot of room for other people to sit at. Here are the desks if you don't remember. Please excuse the mess. This room is a disaster right now, but there you go, our original desks. And I'm so glad she got rid of them because honestly, it made the whole house feel kind of cluttered and messy because the desks just had so much going on. We ended up keeping the exact same shelves and we just like decluttered them. We took off a lot of the old wall art. We got rid of the Polaroid wall, which I'm sad about, but also not really. Like it was a good time. It was a good season while it lasted, but we're past that now. This is our new office. I mean, come on. A long time ago, you guys might remember, we had a friend come and help us put this like shiplap on our wall. We have the same exact shiplap over on that wall. Originally, we thought about taking it down, but Alicia decided to keep it and just paint it black, which I love. If you guys have been watching mine and Alicia's videos for a while, you'll remember that Alicia used to hate dark anything, black, grays, browns. She hated all of it. It wasn't allowed in the house because it didn't look good in the background of her videos. She wanted white or pastel, everything. And that was one of the biggest things we would fight about because I always wanted like dark, muted, earthy colors. I love blacks, I love grays and browns, brown leathers, my God, my favorite. So this is actually like a huge deal. If you've been Ashley and Alicia fan for a while, then you know that. But let me show you my absolute favorite part. This little coffee corner is everything I've ever wanted and more. The art, it's Italy. The coffee, Nespresso and Keurig, all over here now. We have this cute little counter, like table that rolls, which is super convenient for when we have parties or birthday parties and stuff like that. But the best part is that this baby's actually a wine cart also. So, my two favorite things in one corner. So yeah, Alicia absolutely killed the office redo. If you haven't watched her video yet, definitely go watch it for all the details on all the little things because there's a lot and it's definitely worth a watch. That is the most perfect peach I've ever seen in my life. Fun fact, peaches are my favorite fruit. This is the best time to be alive because peaches are in season. Oh my damn. God, that's good. Hi. I see noses. Hello. Hi, girls. So the girls have just been following me around. We're getting acquainted with each other. Is this what it's like having kids? Love me. So guys, I'm very, very proud of myself. It's a Sunday for me right now and I was very productive. I got up, had coffee, like had a nice, slow, relaxing morning as one should on the weekend. And then I worked out and cleaned my room, did a full like washed my hair, lotioned the body, like I feel great, and got a video up. And now I'm cooking lunch. Hi everyone. Wow, are we all gonna lounge on the couch now? They love me. Now I feel like I can't move. One of my absolute favorite salads from Trader Joe's is their Kale Salad. This is a like dried blueberry, some nuts, slivered almonds, and kale and cabbage with broccoli in it. And the dressing is so good. The dressing is dairy-free, which is nice. I've gone ahead and air fried some chicken, which looks fantastic. Okay, I ended up making 2 plates because I made way too much food and the presentation isn't great, but this looks good. The dogs forgot that Taryn's here. Okay, hi good. I have a surprise for you. You made me food? Uh-huh. I was literally just gonna order food. You knew. This looks so good. Enjoy. Well, we're all just one big happy family over here. Lots of dogs. We're gonna watch some TV and not leave the couch and be lazy because it's Sunday. Guys, I'm very excited for this. We have a sponsor for today's video. This is NEIWAI, and this is a very comfortable, very aesthetic lingerie brand. NEIWAI launched in Shanghai in 2012 with the aspiration to create lingerie and loungewear that free the wearer's body and mind. NEIWAI uses premium fabrics and unique designs to craft clothing that allows wearers the freedom to express themselves and to live their lives in comfort, completely uninhibited. NEIWAI's products are made for way more than just day-to-day wear. They are made to be lived in, and I am so excited to be partnering with this brand. NEIWAI has 3 categories to their clothing. They have lingerie, loungewear, and active. I specifically, when making my choices, chose from lingerie and loungewear. The reason I'm so excited to be working with NEIWAI is because they have a newly improved 2021 Barely Zero line that is just like you're wearing nothing. The Barely Zero concept represents everything that NEIWAI has learned about women's comfort in the 9 years they've been making premium lingerie, and this latest release is the best version yet. The thing that makes Barely Zero's line incredible is their CloudFit material. The fabric is extremely soft, but it also wicks moisture and reduces odor over time. There is a wireless structure to the bra and a cotton lining in the brief that makes these things just so comfortable. But it's also comfortable emotionally. NEIWAI believes that your size is the size. The new bra and brief set is available as singles or in bundles, so be sure to check out their stuff. And again, a huge thank you to NEIWAI for working with me. What's up, guys? It is a random Tuesday, and it feels to me like the perfect day for an unboxing. I have a very large pile of boxes to go through, and it's just been staring at me for the last week and a half-ish. Usually I'm really good at keeping on top of this stuff, but just with parallel and everything going on, things have been a little crazy. Oh, bliss. We have a whole skincare kit. This is for fighting body acne, face acne, all things acne. Thank you, Bliss, for sending. Can't wait to use all the goodies. We have, a face cleanser, thank God, because I'm about to run out. This is Kate Somerville's Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser, which is technically for like acne, which is amazing because I can feel it. You probably can't see it yet, but I can see it because I know it's there. And then they have their Eradicate Acne Treatment. I use this on the spot acne treatment all the time. It's one of my favorites. It's one of my go-tos. So excited to stock up on that. And it gave me a mirror. Cute. I am so excited for this. Cora DM'd me, and I have been a fan of Cora for quite some time now. Cora is the skincare by Miranda Kerr, and she's best known for her completely organic products. I didn't really know which ones to get, so I just asked them to send me a bunch of their favorites. This is a turmeric brightening exfoliating mask, a vitamin C serum, an AHA resurfacing serum, face oil, turmeric glow moisturizer, a mineral mist, which I can't get enough of mineral mist. I just use them throughout the entire day. This is literally my favorite color. It's like a turquoisey blue-green. I can't get enough of it. Oh, that's nice. And then a gentle cleansing oil. I love all things skincare, you guys already know, so can't wait to dive into that. We have an IGK Best Life plant-powered nourishing hair oil. Yes, I've been on a hair health kick, and I am very excited for all things hair vitamins, hair oils, hair masks. I feel like my length has been just popping off lately. I like to think it's because of how well I take care of it. Clarins sent me a ton of their lip oils. One of the oldest brands I ever worked with is Clarins. I think it was stories for them, maybe even a video mention like 5 years ago, 6 years ago. And I've been obsessed with their lip oils ever since. They're so silky smooth, but not like thick, not like a gloss. It's an oil, but I love the colors. I think it's so good for your skin. Oh, and they have shimmers. Wow, 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 wow. Lip Comfort Oil was one of the original ones I had, and I've been obsessed with ever since. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this bad boy a go. What I love about this is it's actually nourishing for your skin, but it gives you a little bit of color too. And I like that. It Cosmetics sent over some vitamin E serums, a hyaluronic acid, a glycolic acid, and a niacinamide. I know all of these except for the last ones, which apparently that one works for dark spots. So vitamin C's dullness, lines is hyaluronic acid, pores is glycolic acid, dark spots is the niacinamide. Oh, cute. Oh, wow. Cocktail. I'm doing that later. White Fox sent over a little goodie box, which we love. We love White Fox. Oh my God. Little t-shirt dress in the color brown. Brown is having a moment, and I have been living for it. DP Hue is one of my absolute favorite hair care brands. I have gotten my hair done there before, and ever since then, they have been sending me goodies. This is one of my favorite purple shampoos to use on my hair. Their hair mask smells fantastic, and I have like 2 upstairs, and I use them all the time. They're my favorite. Guys, we are down to the last box. This is from Revolve, denim jeans. Like I need another pair, but let's just be honest, I do. And denim shorts. This is from the brand Girlfriend. I have a few of their jeans. I'm obsessed. However, I feel like sizing wise, they've never fit me perfectly. And guys, let me tell you about my denim hack. This has been something I've known for a while, but I started implementing more recently. I get everything tailored now, specifically denim. I have a butt and I have thighs, and what fits around my waist, I can't get over my butt and thighs. And if I can get it over my butt and thighs, then it's too baggy around my waist. I have officially been getting everything tailored for the last maybe year and a half, 2 years. So now what I do is I will order jeans a size up so it can go over my butt and legs, and then I'll get the waist taken in, and it has changed the game for me. Wow, well that was my entire unboxing. Look at this mess. That is wild, so much stuff. I mentioned to you guys that for the past like 3-ish years now, something I've been doing is getting my jeans altered. Not just my jeans, other things too, but specifically my jeans. I just got a pair of jeans from Revolve. These are Girlfriend jeans. These are some of my favorite brands of jeans, but stereotypically, they're too small. So what do I do to fix that? I get a size too big. Look at this. Too big. So that means that about this much needs to come off. I'm gonna go do that right now and get a after for you guys. Well, I look disgusting. I just got back from a workout, but I just got 3 of my jeans altered, and I'm so excited because the ones that I showed you guys before is finished. Okay guys, these are supposed to be baggy. They're like boyfriend style jeans, which is cool, except I personally don't feel the most comfortable showing my entire stomach. I'm good with my upper abs. Lower abs is a hard pass for me. So again, what I like to do is get my pants altered so that they fit my waist perfectly. I mean, come on. I just wanted it to cinch up in my waist a little bit better than it did before. Here is a side-by-side of me in my jeans doing my thing. They were just a little too baggy for my taste. Here to encourage you guys to take all of your jeans, all of your clothes, and go get them altered. I've been doing this for a very long time. I feel like I've never really told you guys that, so there's that.